Hi, this is Vince White from White, Ricotta Marks, and we are talking about the New York State fast food minimum wage hike, which is a hot topic right now. It is July 23rd, 2015, and I think it was yesterday the governor was able to force through a non-legislative hike to the minimum wage in the fast food industry. Was not voted on. It was just something he basically unilaterally did with a wage commission that he essentially set and told them what to do. And first things first, everybody feels and believes this is going to happen tomorrow. It's not. It's not going to happen in New York City until 2018. It's not going to happen in the rest of New York until about 2021. So it may not happen at all, for all we know. Who knows what's going to actually take place, and who knows if the federal minimum wage will reach comparable levels by then, or the future is obviously unwritten. We don't know. It's probably a non-issue. To some extent, it does appear to be a bit of a publicity stunt. Certainly looks like he's helping out the fast food industry, these downtrodden teenagers and adults who work in this industry, although, I certainly grew up with plenty of friends who worked fast food as kids, and I remember them loving it, so I don't know about that. But the next thing is that everyone seems to say, like, this is a test case for the federal minimum wage. That's probably not true. This is one industry, and the goal here, as stated by the governor, was to get a certain subset of low-earning but working people to earn just enough to not qualify for public assistance. So essentially what he's doing is forcing fast food restaurants to pay their workers just enough that their workers cannot qualify for public assistance. And he knows, pretty open to the fact, it appears, that many of those workers will be terminated. But the goal here is to get them off of public assistance, or if they're truly not earning at all, if they do get terminated, they would be on public assistance. But overall, in aggregate, there would be fewer people receiving food stamps and various levels of partial assistance. So that's the tall and short of it. Certainly there's an issue between New York City and upstate New York. I'm actually from upstate New York, and the concept of someone in upstate New York, which not too long ago contained some of the lowest single-family home prices in the lower 48 states, the concept of somebody making $15 an hour to work at McDonald's there is crazy, because there's people with masters and advanced degrees earning comparably, and they're incredible at their jobs. It's not that they're not working hard. It's not that they're not talented individuals. They are. It's just they live in an economically depressed area that is very different from downstate New York. So that's one of the reasons why the rollout in the rest of the state has been delayed until 2021. But it also, there's been a lot of articles and a lot of talk about how that will shake up culture up there, right? If this was to actually happen, and if other industries were not to catch up, obviously that would create a number of wage disparities. It would be rewarding unskilled labor much more than you're rewarding skilled, desirable labor. So it should be very interesting. I don't view it as this great boon to the populace that so many people are trying to tout it as. The federal wage hike might be, definitely. That could be a big help. But this is something a little bit different, and it's important to pay attention to the details here. So, take a look at the facts, see what you think about it, and if you're concerned, contact your legislature. If you're happy, great. I'm glad it worked out for you. Take care.